Number 3, how much interest is earned on $470 at 4% for 7 years? So again, here's our interest, here's our principal, here's our rate, and here's our time. This one's pretty straightforward. So interest, they're wanting to know. Principal is $470. Rate is 4%. And time is 7 years. So we're just going to plug those in. Oh, I'm going to go ahead and figure out that. That's going to be and my time is 7 years. $131.60. Don't forget to put that 0 in there on the end. So the interest that is paid on that is that amount. Number 4. If you borrow $421 for 9 years at an interest rate of 4%, how much interest will you pay? So this is our principal, this is our principal, this is our time, this is our rate, and we're trying to find our interest. So that's number 4. PRT. And our interest rate is 4%. So I'm going to move my decimal point 2 places to the right. And then I'm going to use my formula. Put in my 4% decimal equivalent times 9. Use my calculator. $151.56. Number 5. If you borrow $491 for 1 year at an interest rate of 3%, how much interest will you pay? So here's my principal, here's my time, interest rate of 3%, there's my rate, and how much interest will I pay? PRT. And the rate is 3%. Write out and plug in the dollar amount, the rate, and the time. Since the time is 1 year, you really wouldn't have to put that in there. When I do my multiplication on my calculator, I'm not going to, because I know multiplying anything by 1 is just going to give me that number. the interest on that would be $14.73. Number 6. How much interest does a $318 investment earn at 9% over 1 year? So again, I'm looking for my interest. So this is my principal, this is my rate, and this is my time. My rate is 9% and my time again is 1 year. So moving my decimal point 2 places to the left to get it into a decimal equivalent, 0 and 900ths. Calculator. $28.62. Number 7, if the balance at the end of 8 years on an investment of $230 that has been invested at a rate of 3% is $285, how much was the interest? Want to know the interest, the balance at the end of 8 years, there's our time. On an initial investment of $230, that's our principal, and invested at a rate of 3%, there's our R. So we're trying to find the interest using our formula. So 8 years is our time, the principal was $230, and the interest rate was 0 and 300ths, which was 3%. $55.20.